Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Holden Blaze, and today we're going to be talking about the latest meme coin that I decided to add to my portfolio. Now, if you're a subscriber of the channel, you know I'm not a huge proponent of meme coins. I believe they have their place in a crypto portfolio. However, I am much more confident investing the majority of my portfolio into utility-based projects. However, with that being said, some of our plays like ArcBlock, LCX, and Caspa are up a sizable amount, and I am willing to add another meme position to my crypto portfolio. However, I wanted to find a meme with a different narrative than Turbo's. Obviously, Turbo is unique in its ties to AI. However, I've been quite interested in finding a meme coin that's based on Solana. Solana has much cheaper transaction fees, and it's honestly so much easier to buy a Solana meme coin than it is to buy an Ethereum meme coin when using a platform like Coinbase Wallet. That is the only platform that PONKE is on at the moment. It is not on Uphold. It is not on the regular Coinbase app. However, if you send Solana to your Coinbase wallet, you can swap it for PONKE, and I have done so recently. If we're looking at the chart honestly looks amazing. It was down all the way below 6 cents earlier this year, and in hindsight, this was an amazing time to buy this cryptocurrency. However, I did not. I watched it run up all the way to 55 cents, and now that we've been consolidating down here at the lows, I thought it was a good time to pop into PONKE. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this video is financial advice, but we have to acknowledge that all meme coins are inherently worth nothing. They're backed by absolutely nothing. There's really no real world purpose for a meme coin, yet they still can attract a huge market cap. Why is that? Well, it's because crypto is pretty nerdy. If you really understand the ins and outs of cryptocurrency and Web3, you probably have a lot of background knowledge on computer coding or how computers work in general, and the general public has no patience in learning about the utilities of different Web3 cryptocurrencies. And honestly, the mass majority of people are more attracted to a cryptocurrency that has an animal on its logo. It's really silly, especially me making these crypto YouTube videos and watching meme coins just explode for crazy gains, because for some crypto investors, they feel like they're entitled to more gains because they did more research and found some more niche utility play. While that is great, and we've found projects like ArcBlock, which have absolutely mooned since we initially bought in, we also have to acknowledge the general populace that is about to come into cryptocurrency this bull market. I'm making another video very soon on this channel talking about when I think the crypto cycle will eventually top out and my thoughts on whether or not we are in alt season. I'm seeing a ton of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in this market with the recent correction we've been seeing in basically all altcoins, and I'm here to tell you that I am aggressively buying this dip. Not just on PONKE, I've been buying into PNG, LCX, Caspa, Turbo. A lot of the winners in my account, I want to add to them because a lot of them experience crashes of roughly 50%, and I personally view that as a huge discount. I like to add to my winners in my crypto portfolios, and I have been cutting some losers. However, I can tell you I am only adding to my PONKE position. While we are experiencing a little bit of a dip, and to be honest, we missed the best window of opportunity investing into this, I still think there is huge potential for this meme coin this coming bull market. I think the fact that this is on Solana will help it out a lot. Obviously, we've been seeing news about a possible Ethereum ETF coming very soon, and I do believe that will send Ethereum meme coins absolutely flying. I am also seeing talk about a future possible Solana ETF. I believe there is not a super high chance that a Solana ETF will come out. However, even the hype behind a possible ETF could be enough to really drive the price up in Solana, and I do think it will have its time in the spotlight. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably asking the question, why PONKE? Why are you not investing into BONK or the countless other Solana meme coins that are available to us? Well, there's a couple reasons for that. The main one being the market cap of PONKE. Right now, with this recent dip, we are sitting below $150 million in market cap, and I can tell you from experience, this is not that large. I think the project of PONKE will easily touch $1 billion in market cap, and likely will fly much higher than that. I will do price predictions at the end of this video. However, I want to point out that this meme coin has a much smaller market cap than most of the popular meme coins. Pepe is sitting around $5 billion in market cap, and even a project like Turbo is basically twice the size of PONKE. Turbo is still a very small project, and PONKE manages to have a smaller market cap than Turbo. I really do think there's a lot of potential in both of these meme coins, and I really like the idea of having both an Ethereum meme coin and a Solana meme coin for this upcoming euphoria that we're going to see in this bull market. Now, PONKE has hands down some of the best marketing in the whole crypto space. However, we do not know who the founder of PONKE is. It is a mystery. They have revealed many different partnerships throughout their existence. However, there is a shroud of uncertainty when it comes to the founder of PONKE. For me, this is not an absolute deal breaker. However, it is something I really wish we could have seen. I do believe that eventually the team will get doxxed and the founder will be revealed. And at that point, PONKE will probably be extra volatile. We saw Pepe crash about 16% right after the team was doxxed, and I could see PONKE doing the exact same thing if that day ever occurs. Again, this is not a deal breaker. Look at Pepe. It has recovered drastically from that news, and it really is a big nothing burger looking in retrospect. And I think PONKE has the marketing team to justify buying in without knowing the founder. I actually initially discovered this account because it was on my Instagram Reels algorithm, and they have been going viral with many of the posts they have put out. Right now, they have over 300,000 followers on Instagram, and some of their posts have over 4 million likes. That is a ton of engagement for a cryptocurrency account to get, and you have to note that with 336,000 followers, a ton of people have heard of this PONKE coin. However, there is still less than 50,000 unique holders. This, in my opinion, is a huge opportunity for growth. There is a lot of people who are interested in the content that PONKE is putting out. However, the majority of them have not reached a point where they are interested enough to actually buy into the project. I believe this actually will happen quite aggressively as we enter euphoria, because FOMO will be hitting retail investors left and right. All of the people who've been telling you crypto is a scam for the past year will suddenly flip their position and start buying meme coins purely based on FOMO. They don't want to be the only one who didn't make it out big in the crypto cycle, and they're suddenly going to be willing to put a ton more risk on the table. PONKE is in an absolutely perfect position for this retail adoption because it already has such a large fan base on social media. Not only are they super active and successful on Instagram, they have managed to get over 100,000 followers on TikTok. They have multiple videos over 1 million views, and they are getting a ton of traction on these social media sites. I also love how active they are on Twitter. Every time I log back in and check the page, I have to scroll through a ton of PONKE memes, and that is something I absolutely want to see in a meme coin. We cannot have a project that's a meme coin have terrible marketing and only post a few times a week. I honestly think PONKE is quite brilliant in the way they're marketing their project, because right now they are focused on becoming a meme page. Yes, it's all about their token. However, they're putting most of their energy into making content that can go viral, and a lot of people will get a nice chuckle out of. While meme coins really don't have any utility, that is the one utility they do kind of offer. They offer a nice chuckle to the general public, and they offer a nice entry into the crypto universe. That is why we've seen absolutely huge run-ups in projects like WIF and PONKE. PONKE is another Solana-based meme coin, and it has a market cap that is 10x bigger the size of PONKE. That is mainly because PONKE is really not on many exchanges. They're only on Coinbase Wallet for many US users, and Uphold has not listed this cryptocurrency. Uphold has a strong record of listing cryptocurrencies before Coinbase, and they have a proven record of liking meme coins quite a lot. They realize it attracts a lot of retail trading, and it makes them a ton of money off of all of the trading fees. I personally believe that Uphold will list PONKE in 2024. I think it's absolutely silly if they do not, and I would not be surprised if more major exchanges follow the path of that entering 2025. I think 2025 is really when we're going to see euphoria in the crypto market, and suddenly trading volume is going to increase in a very dramatic fashion. With this, exchanges have all the incentive in the world to list all of these popular meme coins, and because PONKE already has such a large digital presence, I think exchanges like Coinbase and Binance will face a lot of pressure to list this cryptocurrency. Now, I could be wrong and no exchange ends up listing PONKE. I would be quite shocked if Uphold does not list this cryptocurrency sometime in the next year. However, it does provide us with a roadblock for user adoption with PONKE. We need users to easily buy this cryptocurrency, and the easier it is to buy PONKE, the more people that will buy it. I know a lot of people are getting comfortable with the Coinbase wallet. However, it still is a lot of extra steps that hinder a lot of people from looking into PONKE. If PONKE was listed on Uphold and could be bought just as easily as any other cryptocurrency, I believe the price would spike up quite dramatically, and I do believe there is a lot of potential for price appreciation in PONKE. Now quickly, I want to acknowledge the rest of the tokenomics. There is a wallet that holds roughly 7.5% of the supply, and then the next wallet that's not an exchange holds over 5%. This is not the worst thing in the world. I've seen a lot of cryptocurrencies where the top wallets hold much more than 12% combined, and I'm honestly quite happy about this. Yes, it is a little shady. We do not know that much about the founder and that these top wallets hold a sizable percentage of the token. However, this project is only going to get more decentralized as more of the people who have viewed this PONKE content finally decide to buy the price. The holder numbers are going to skyrocket. I absolutely believe that by the end of 2025, there will be hundreds of thousands of people holding this PONKE token, and I do have some lofty price targets for this project. Again, this is a meme coin and is quite volatile. It can absolutely explode in price value. However, no matter what meme coin you are trading, if you trade it poorly, you are going to get wrecked. These things are extremely volatile and not for everyone. I highly recommend you know what you're doing in cryptocurrency before attacking these meme coins and not have meme coins be the sole driver of your portfolio. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor and you can do whatever you want. However, let's get into these price targets. Right now, we have to acknowledge that WIF got to a market cap of $4.5 billion. Now, there was a ton of publicity going on during this event. I believe it went on the Sphere in Las Vegas, and a lot of people were being shown this cute dog in a hat. Now, that's great and all, but there's really not that much separating a project from WIF than a project from PONKE. PONKE is basically driven off a fun animal figure, just like WIF, and all of the success has been based off of marketing. WIF is sitting at a market cap roughly of $2.1 billion, which is over 12x the size of PONKE. Like I said earlier, I think PONKE can easily hit $1 billion, and if I'm being completely honest, I think it can easily hit $2 billion as well. That would be a 12x from the current prices and would put us around $4.20. This figure in itself, being a meme, could be a possible point where price retraces from quite a bit. However, I honestly think PONKE will eventually get towards $9 before topping out. Now, there's a scenario where it goes much, much higher than $9, but if I was to put one price target on PONKE that I felt was very realistic yet somewhat conservative, I would put the price right around this at $9.20. I think $10 is a huge psychological wall, and it is possible that PONKE runs up right towards $10, but never touches that round figure. If that happens, we would see a 26x on our holdings, which is not bad at all. However, I honestly think this is much too bearish. Yes, obviously 26x is a long ways to go. However, I personally think we are not in alt season yet. If you zoom out and look at the Bitcoin all-time chart, we have always topped out in Q4 of the year following the halving. That means if history repeats itself, we can expect the crypto market to top out in Q4 of 2025. I personally believe that timeline is perfectly playing out just like it has every single cycle, and I personally think we still have a long ways to go in this bull market. Obviously, there's going to be a ton of volatility, but overall, I have not seen that euphoric sentiment really set into the market. Yes, we've had some periods where meme coins are absolutely flying and the market gets quite bubbly and speculative. However, the average person that I talk to still has zero interest in cryptocurrency whatsoever. I have found that most people who traded cryptocurrency last cycle are still scarred from the losses they experienced in 2022, and the general public that was not interested in crypto in 2021 is still uninterested in 2024. I think we need prices to go much higher on a lot of these assets to really drive FOMO and have that kick into a full level, because FOMO will be the main driver of meme coin appreciation. If FOMO really kicks in and Solana is able to take off in a big way, I think PONKE can possibly challenge the market cap of SHIB. Now, I personally do not think PONKE will flip SHIB by any means. However, we have to acknowledge that SHIB is a very notable Ethereum meme coin, and I believe that Solana, if it really catches the hype that I think it has the ability to do, will be looked at on a very high level like Ethereum was last cycle. At that point, a lot of Solana meme coins are going to take off, and I think the ones with the best marketing are here to stay. I personally think if we compare PONKE to a project like BONK, it's a no-brainer which one makes more sense to invest into. Now, I'm not hating on anyone who's in BONK, especially those who are up big on the project. However, right now it is sitting 8 times bigger than PONKE, and it's nowhere near as successful on social media. I think the social media behind PONKE is really the one thing that gives it a ton of value, and I think it could be a hidden gem. Now, ironically, this is like the least hidden gem ever because so many people already know about PONKE. However, not that many people have taken action and actually bought the token. I believe that time will come, and if we take action now, we could possibly position ourselves to be up very large when the general public finally comes around to buying. Now, like I said earlier, I'm not a financial advisor. We have had success with our last meme coin call out Turbo. However, by no means are Turbo and PONKE the same thing. PONKE has a founder which we do not know of and an unclear roadmap. While they have been very successful on social media, they are a little unknown, and Turbo is much more well known, but way less successful on social media. They both have different aspects which I'm bullish on for them, and I'm honestly really happy to find a Solana meme coin to balance out my crypto portfolio. Let me know in the comments if you think I'm crazy for buying another meme coin, or if you're interested in adding one yourself. I will try to respond to as many comments as possible. I hope you all have a great day. Peace out.